The collapse of the Maya civilization is one of the most enduring mysteries in the field of archaeology and anthropology. This complex society, known for its remarkable achievements in writing, art, architecture, mathematics, and astronomy, thrived in Mesoamerica for nearly 2 millennia. However, during the Terminal Classic period, roughly between 800 and 900 CE, the civilization experienced a dramatic decline, leading to the abandonment of many of its major cities in the southern lowlands. The causes of this collapse have been the subject of extensive research and debate among scholars, with no single factor emerging as the definitive explanation. Instead, it is now widely believed that a combination of interrelated factors contributed to the downfall of this once great civilization. The Maya civilization was characterized by its city-states, each ruled by a powerful king who claimed divine authority. These city-states, such as Tikal, Palenque, Copan, and Calakmul, were often engaged in warfare with one another, vying for supremacy and control over resources. The Maya built impressive urban centers featuring grand temples, palaces, and plazas, all constructed without the use of metal tools or the wheel. Their sophisticated writing system, consisting of hieroglyphs, allowed them to record historical events, religious rituals, and astronomical observations. The Maya calendar, based on their advanced understanding of astronomy, was highly accurate and played a crucial role in their religious and agricultural practices. Despite their achievements, the Maya civilization was not immune to environmental challenges. The region they inhabited, encompassing present-day southern Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, and El Salvador, was prone to droughts and other climatic fluctuations. The reliance on maize agriculture made the Maya particularly vulnerable to changes in rainfall patterns. Archaeological evidence suggests that periods of severe drought coincided with the collapse of many Maya cities. Lake sediment cores and other paleo-environmental data indicate that the southern lowlands experienced prolonged droughts during the Terminal Classic period, leading to crop failures, food shortages, and social unrest. Environmental degradation exacerbated the impact of droughts. The Maya practiced slash-and-burn agriculture, which involved clearing forested areas for cultivation. This method, while effective in the short term, led to soil depletion and erosion over time. The expansion of agricultural land to support growing populations further strained the environment. Deforestation reduced the availability of timber for construction and fuel, while also affecting the local climate by decreasing humidity and increasing temperatures. The ability to sustain large urban populations diminished, contributing to the decline of Maya cities. Another significant factor in the collapse of the Maya civilization was internal conflict and warfare. The Maya city-states were often engaged in endemic warfare, which intensified during the Terminal Classic period. Rivalries between powerful cities such as Tikal and Calakmul led to prolonged conflicts that drained resources and destabilized regions. The capture and sacrifice of elite individuals, a common practice in Maya warfare, further disrupted the social order and weakened the leadership structures of affected cities. The destruction of infrastructure and the displacement of populations during these conflicts contributed to the abandonment of urban centers. Social and political factors also played a crucial role in the Maya collapse. The Maya political system was hierarchical, with a ruling elite that maintained power through a combination of religious authority and military prowess. As environmental and economic pressures mounted, the ability of the elite to provide for their subjects and maintain social cohesion weakened. Evidence from inscriptions and archaeological sites suggests that the ruling class faced challenges in maintaining their legitimacy, leading to internal strife and rebellion. The erosion of centralized authority likely resulted in the fragmentation of political power and the breakdown of social order. Trade and economic factors are also considered important in understanding the collapse of the Maya civilization. The Maya engaged in long-distance trade, exchanging goods such as jade, obsidian, cacao, and textiles with other Mesoamerican cultures. The decline in trade networks, possibly due to the collapse of key trading partners or disruptions caused by warfare, would have had significant economic repercussions. The loss of access to luxury goods and essential resources could have undermined the economic stability of Maya cities and contributed to their decline. Disease and health issues have also been proposed as contributing factors to the Maya collapse. The dense urban populations and environmental changes could have facilitated the spread of diseases. Malnutrition, resulting from food shortages due to drought and environmental degradation, would have weakened the population's resilience to disease. However, direct evidence linking disease outbreaks to the collapse remains limited, and this factor is considered complementary to the broader environmental and social challenges faced by the Maya. The decline of the Maya civilization was not uniform across the entire region. While many cities in the southern lowlands were abandoned, other areas, particularly in the northern Yucatan Peninsula, continued to flourish for several more centuries. Cities such as Chichen Itza and Uxmal experienced periods of growth and influence during the post-classic period. This regional variation indicates that the collapse was a complex and multifaceted process, influenced by local conditions and responses to broader challenges. The legacy of the Maya civilization endures in the modern world. Descendants of the Maya people continue to inhabit the region, preserving aspects of their ancient culture, language, and traditions. The ruins of Maya cities, now major archaeological sites, attract researchers and tourists from around the world, offering valuable insights into the achievements and challenges of this remarkable civilization. The study of the Maya collapse not only enriches our understanding of the past, but also provides lessons on the interplay between human societies and their environments, the consequences of political instability, and the resilience of cultural traditions. In conclusion, the collapse of the Maya civilization was a multifaceted and complex process influenced by a combination of environmental, social, political, economic, and health-related factors. Prolonged droughts, environmental degradation, endemic warfare, social and political upheaval, disruptions in trade, and potential disease outbreaks all contributed to the decline and abandonment of many Maya cities in the southern lowlands. The variations in the collapse across different regions underscore the complexity of this historical event. The study of the Maya collapse continues to evolve, with ongoing research shedding new light on the factors that led to the downfall of this once great civilization. The lessons learned from the Maya collapse remain relevant today, highlighting the importance of sustainable environmental practices, political stability, and social cohesion in the face of changing circumstances.